3 days after my carpets were professionally cleaned, this happened. It was a complete and utter shock. I walk into my living room and literally cannot believe what I'm seeing. The state of the carpets was just unbelievable. My carpets looked worse than before, weird new stains, smelled like bleach mixed with regret, plus hidden fees everywhere. I was so done, absolutely finished with the whole ordeal. But here's the thing. There's actually a way to avoid this nightmare scenario altogether. It's called inthegta.com, and they've done all the hard work for us so we don't have to. They've carefully curated the most trusted carpet cleaning professionals across the entire GTA region. These aren't random people with questionable equipment. These are the real deal with advanced equipment, safe solutions, and completely upfront pricing policies. No surprise fees, no weird charges popping up unexpectedly. Because trusting the wrong team is how you end up like me, staring at ruined carpets and wondering where you went wrong. InTheGTA.com has already done the vetting process, so we don't have to gamble with the condition of our homes. Don't make my mistake and live to regret it. Visit InTheGTA.com right now and find trusted carpet cleaning professionals in your area. Your future self will definitely thank you for it.